Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're someone who is looking to have this beautiful hair and don't know what to do, then this is the video for you. I have come up with a very special hair mask which is very easy to make but gives you the results you have desired. This is made from some vegetable which will have the same effect as you would do it in the parlor. This gives a shiny, smooth and very soft hair. And if you want to know how to make this hair mask, you can continue watching. To make this hair mask, I have used okra or bhendi or lady's finger. You all know this vegetable, which is easily available in the market. The sticky substance which this vegetable is made of is what is required to make this hair mask. It has vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, which will provide the strength your hair needs. It also has that mucilage, which adds a shine to your hair. Then it can maintain the pH balance of your hair follicle, which will strengthen the hair and thereby reducing hair fall. This also will keep your hair scalp healthy, thereby promoting very smooth and silky hair. I have made use of 4 to 5 okras, which are quite thick for my shoulder length hair. If you have longer hair, you can use more of this. Depending on the length of your hair, you can adjust the amount of okras you take. So I have taken 4 to 5, which I have cut into small pieces. To add to this hair pack, I have used flaxseed, 2 tablespoons. This also has that sticky substance, which is a jelly substance, which will help to grow your hair faster and longer by providing the nourishment to your hair follicles. The presence of vitamin E in flax seeds provide nutrition to the scalp and reduce free radical damage, thereby promoting a very healthy hair growth and giving your hair a shiny look. The next ingredient is fenugreek seeds, again 2 tablespoons. All these ingredients which has mucilage, which is very rich source of iron, and it will promote hair growth. It also contains saponins and flavonoids, which will act as a soapy substance to your hair. Whenever you use this hair pack, this gives that slippery nature for the hair pack, which will give produce lather so that you can wash your hair easily. So these are the ingredients I have collected. The method is very simple. All you need to do is boil the okras and the flax seeds. Take 1 cup of water. You have to boil until this reduces to half the quantity. So you just have to keep this on the stove and do it. The remaining methi or the fenugreek seeds has to be soaked overnight so that you can use this in the hair pack. The fenugreek need not be boiled, just soak it with a little bit of water until the fenugreek is all immersed in the water. Keep it overnight and this will have absorbed all water and it will be ready to be used in the hair pack. Meanwhile, the okras which you have taken should be placed on the stove. Cook it in low flame until the water reduces to half. The okras should boil well and it has to liberate its sticky nature into the water. That is what is required to make this uh, air pack work efficiently. After 10 minutes, you will see that the water has reduced to half and it has become thicker and stickier. Then it is time to put off the stove and allow this to cool overnight. Make sure that you have soaked the fenugreek also. The next morning, this is how it looks. It is quite sticky and thick, and this should be ground into fine paste to make the hair pack. As you can see, the flax seeds and the okra has released its goodness into this water, and this fenugreek also is being soaked overnight, and this is how it looks once it is soaked. It has soaked up all the water, it has become thick. The water should not be thrown, you should use it in this hair pack only. Fenugreek is very good ingredient for any hair packs because it has that multiple properties which would help you to have a luxurious hair growth and have a very smooth and shinier hair. So I'm going to mix all these ingredients and grind it into fine paste to make a wonderful face pack. Oh, sorry, hair pack. Once you grind the ingredients, this is how it looks. It will be very sticky, but you need to strain it because it will have a lot of residues. The flax seeds has those skin, even the okra will have its skin, the fenugreek will have its skin, all that skin which is very tiny, which will stick to your hair. Therefore, you need to strain it very well. Make sure you don't have any residue, otherwise you will need lot of water to wash off from your hair. So this is how it looks once I have strained it with a sieve, which has large pores. I think it has a lot of leftover residue still. So I'm going to use a small cotton cloth where I will again strain it so that I get very smooth paste which is easy to apply on my hair. So this hair pack is used once a week, and this will give the exact same results as you would want to go for a parlor treatment, because it has a lot of that goodness of all those ingredients which you have used. The okra has its special ingredient which would make your hair very shinier. I've got 1 cup of this smooth mixture for my shoulder length hair. I'm going to just apply on my hair. I just pour it like this and tie it with a cloth so that I can keep the hair pack in place and leave it for 1 to 2 hours before I can wash off with the mild shampoo. Even if you have a natural shampoo, you can use that. This will reveal a very soft, silky, and very smooth hair, which has the same like a parlor effect. So you can try this and see. If you have made it in excess, you can store this in the refrigerator and use for next use. Within a week, you need to use this. So this is a very easy homemade hair pack which gives you 100% results. Weekly once use this. Good for all hair types. Very easy to make, easily available ingredients, and this has very good effect on your hair. So try this and see how it works. If you like more such DIYs, you can subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, you can share it with your friends, and thanks for watching.